my loves, welcome back to my channel. The video I'm doing today is in collaboration with another YouTuber. Her name is Katie. Her channel is Katie Ann Gray, and I will pop the link at the bottom of the screen around about here. And I'll also insert a photograph of Katie as well, so that you can go over to her channel and show her some love. I'll just tell you a little bit more about Katie. She's married, she's got 2 children, and they're still very young. I think he's about 4 and Danny sort of 9-10 months, something like that. And Katie's a lot younger than I am. So Katie contacted me and asked me if I'd do a collaboration with her, and so we both were sort of chatting backwards and forwards, because we couldn't make our minds up what we wanted to do, whether it was going to be a cleaning, cooking, shopping, you know. We both do all different types of videos on our channels, but we came to the conclusion that everyone likes a little bit of Poundland, especially us, so we thought that we'd do a collaboration showing the items that we've bought in Poundland, and then we wanted to do a theme. So we decided that we'd go for a pamper theme, especially Katie, bless her. You know what it's like having young children. She hardly gets the time to sort of have a good old pamper. So we were both really up for it. I've been into Poundland today, and I'll show you what I've picked up for my pamper. I've got the bag here. It's not a Poundland bag though, but I'm still saving the planet because I'm using, you know, a bag for life. I'm going to start with, I've used these before and they're absolutely brilliant, the face masks. This is the beautifully scrumptious one, coconut face mask, and it is absolutely divine. If you haven't used them, I really urge you to. So that's the coconut one, and this little pot here, I'll show you how much is in there. So you've got that much in there, and I really wish, if you haven't seen these or smelt these, I really wish we had sort of smell-o-vision, because oh my gosh, they smell beautiful. This little pot would do probably 3, maybe 4 applications for me. I just use a little brush to just pop it on with, and then leave it for probably about sort of 10-15 minutes, something like that, till it goes sort of like firm, dries out, and then I just sort of wash it all off. You don't need to keep these in the fridge either, so that's another bonus. But they are, it's really weird because you don't keep them in the fridge, and yet when you apply them, they feel really cooling. They are, yeah. They've also got it in kale, and what's the other one? I think it's avocado, the other one. I've had all of them, but the coconut is the smell, it's amazing. So that's the first thing I got. So my plan is put the face mask on and then run myself a bath. And in the bath, I'm going to put these beautiful bath crystals. These have got rose petals in. This was £2, the face mask was £1. This was £2. And I just thought the bottle itself is stunning, and I do like bath salt crystal bath. There you go, that's what it looks like. How beautiful is that? This would make a stunning gift in a hamper, wouldn't it? Yes, so I'm going to, face mask is going on, pour my bath, slip into the bath to chill. Face mask will be rinsed off. Then I'm going to wash my hair and then apply this hair mask. So this is the Argan Oil Hydrating Hair Mask. I haven't actually used this before, but I have used the Argan Oil shampoo and the conditioner, and also I've used the like the spraying Argan Oil, which I have still got and do use. Still use that from time to time, but I haven't used this one before, so of course that's going to go on my hair while I'm soaking in the bath. It just smells like the Argan Oil products. Just got that lovely sort of clean smell. Let's have a look at the texture. That's what it looks like in the pot. It's quite sort of firm, as you would expect being a hair mask. I'll just sort of pop it onto my hand there, look. treatment. So it's got that thick, sort of almost sort of a waxy feel to it. But yeah, that's going to go on as well. Whilst I'm in the bath, I'm going to have a little bit of an exfoliation, but I haven't bought like your typical exfoliating body wash or anything like that. I love these. I really like these. I've been using these for years now. And you've got like your typical sponge on one side, and then you've got your like the more coarse side here. And it's really good exfoliation. You know, it can be as gentle or as hard as you want it to be, because you just pop your shower gel on it, and then you can very lightly go over your skin, or you can give it a damn good sort of like scrub, you know, especially over like elbows, knees, that sort of thing. But yeah, these are really good, really, really good, and I swear by these. Okay, so I'm out of the bath now. So I've done all the pampering that I need to do in the bathroom. So I'm going to go into my little dressing room for the next bit of the pamper session. And so I picked up this. This is the Papaya Paradise Scented Room Spray, and it says sweet and fruity. I haven't seen this in there before. This is a new one for me. And oh my gosh, I had a little snifter of the tester. It's beautiful. So I'm going to go into my dressing room and I'm going to do all of this. I'm going to go spray, make it smell beautiful, ready to luxuriate in, ready to be all luxurious for the next step of my pamper. Oh, it smells like, I know it says papaya, but I'm getting that, you know, the sweetness of a pineapple. It's like that. It's beautiful. So that, imagine, is going to be the smell in the room. So I've done my face mask, I've exfoliated, I've done my hair mask, and I've soaked in bath crystals. So now I'm going into the dressing room, which smells of a tropical island. So the next step is going to be to put on a foot mask. There you go. So it's those little foot packs. This is honey and almond. I haven't used this one before, probably because it says new. I haven't seen it in there before. Enriched with honey, almond and vitamin E to deeply moisturise the skin, helping to soothe and soften dry, rough and cracked heels. It's got one treatment. It's got the little booties, so you just pop your feet into the boots, secure them with the little adhesive strip that's in there, and then you leave it on your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. So that's the next step of my pamper, is my feet. Then, while I've got my feet up and I've got my little booties on, pampering my feet, it will be time to have a coffee. And I love coffee. You know I love coffee. And I really like these. I've had this before and it's very, very, very tasty. So I thought, yeah, feet up, picture it. Can you picture it? Feet up. Oh, lovely. Smelling beautiful. Cup of coffee on the go. In my new mug. Pink and girly. Yeah, you picturing it? Coffee. Smelling, aroma, living the life. If I'm having a coffee, I need something else that's really luxurious and a treat, because after all it's a pamper session. Elizabeth Shaw milk chocolate caramel cream. Oh my, how decadent does this look? Then, of course, I'm all dried off and everything, and so now the whole of the body needs to have a little bit of a pamper. So I picked up this. This is the Dove Nourishing Secrets Restoring Ritual Body Lotion. And if you try and say that when you've had a few to drink, you probably wouldn't even get anywhere near that sound. And this is with coconut oil and almond milk. So can you see there's a little bit of a theme going on here, because I've had the aroma of the coconut face mask. My room will be smelling of a paradise island. My foot pack, honey and almond. My chocolate caramel cream. My caramel latte. And of course the coconut and almond milk body lotion. So it's all very nutty, caramelly, smooth, tropical smells. This smells absolutely delicious. It really does smell beautiful. Pop a little bit on, there you go. And as you can see, it's not a runny body lotion, so I don't like that. I can't get on with those at all. But this is like a nice, oh my gosh, that smell is amazing. Honestly, if you haven't tried this, this just smells beautiful. If you like coconut smells, that sort of thing, like the sweet smells, you will really love this. And it feels beautiful on. I mean, it's gone in. It's gone straight in to my old lady skin. I will be following up with popping some nail colour, there you go, on my toenails. So this is Candy Pink, it's number 10, it's from the Gallery makeup range, so it's their own makeup range. And the amazing thing I think about Poundland makeup, if you're buying their own range, not like other ranges in there, but if you're buying literally their own range, they are cruelty free. And I just think, you know, the fact that you're paying £1 for a product that's cruelty free, you know, get a grip, all the other companies out there, why can't you do it as well? I just think it's amazing. What a pretty colour. It says it's a quick dry one as well, but look, how pretty is that? So pretty, isn't it? Very summery. Right, so I've actually spent £11.50. Katie and I agreed to sort of £10, and I could have kept it to £10, apart from the fact that I picked up the coffees, but then they're kind of going to be, I'll only be using one sachet, so I thought I can get away with that, because the rest will go up in the cupboard for anybody else who wants them. And the chocolate, the Elizabeth Shaw chocolate, this was reduced down to 50p. So I thought, I just want to have the whole Pamper experience. So I'll just kind of go over what I've got again. My face mask, the rose petal bath crystals, the hair mask, these sponges, Apply Paradise Room Spray, using these, foot pack, my chocolate, body lotion, nail polish, and that is going to be sort of like my little pamper for one evening. I was going to try and include it into this video, but I just think I'm going to do that as a separate video. I can include what I look like with a face mask on and all of that, otherwise this video would turn out to be just way too long. So I'm going to do that as a separate one then, guys, but I really do hope that you've enjoyed watching this video. As I say, if you could pop over to Katie's channel as well and show her some love and support, and I will talk to you in the next one, but don't forget to look out for when I actually do my pamper. Talk to you again soon. Bye. Bye for now.